Today's airgunning video is brought to you from the studio of Papa T Adventures. We hope you enjoy.
Good morning, family. Welcome back to Papa T Adventures. We're here with another Air Ups. This is our attempt number 2. So this would be, now is our March gun. It was originally supposed to have been our February gun for the year of the bumper. So the first thing, I'd like to note that the broken gun I sent back to Crossman is packed tighter than what's supposed to be a repaired gun I got back from them. There's the box. Looks intact. Show it to you guys this way. Once again, it is a Crossman multi-pump. So it is the Vapor Max. It comes with 2 auto-indexing magazines. It's 10 shots per magazine, up to 1100 feet per second with alloy pellets, 900 feet per second with lead. We'll see. There's plenty of other people who've talked about that. 14 foot-pounds of energy. It's time for the moment of truth. Open it up. It's looking good, y'all. I don't see a cracked stock this time. It sits on the handle. Our manual, our 2 magazines. It's a nice thick manual. And then, what we all came for, there's the gun. And as I said, this time, we're in one piece. Looks good. Feels good. Hopefully we find out it also shoots good. Step 1's there though. We got an intact stock. Some more to come as we check this out. So there you go. There's where the magazine actually inserts. It is a pretty rifle, despite the plastic stock. I can't fault them on plastic stock. That is how they're keeping costs down. I can see, looks like maybe some blue Loctite in there. On this little bolt that's going across. Maybe it's not Loctite, but that's where this connects at. Yeah. It's a bit heftier of a rifle. We're looking forward to putting it through its paces. Once again, this is our March year of the pumper gun, Crossman Vapor Max. New multi-shot gun that came out last year. It was technically originally supposed to have been Gammo, but Gammo bought out Crossman, was a holding company that owns Gammo, bought out Crossman, Benjamin, put them under the same umbrella as Gammo, Daisy, and BSA. So now they're the iconic outdoor group. We'll see how this rebadged over to Crossman side rifle does as we put it through its paces. Anyway, family, thanks for stopping by. God bless, take care, and we'll catch you next time on Papa T Adventures.